In 1948, a young man with a vision set out to revolutionize the metal cutting industry from the ground up. His name, Heinz Kaiser. Kaiser quickly made a name for himself by combining ingenuity and precision tools. The key to his success? Hard work and a team of motivated workers. The desire to achieve great heights. What started as a small business continued to grow. BIG Kaiser was founded, and a new chapter in Kaiser's history began. Expertise coupled with tools of unbeatable quality allowed Kaiser to reach new levels. The company merged with BIGDAISHOWA. 75 years of sweat and tears have brought us to this point, and we are not stopping. As we prepare for our anniversary celebration, great surprises await you.